Well, in the earlier videos, I've done the forks and the steering head, which was quite a bit of work, and I've patched up the swinging arm. And I suppose now it's time to go crazy with the angle grinder and cut up the frame. That was butchery. This is surgery. This is a piece of scrap steel which you can bend up on a simple homemade bender like this. Basically made out of chunks of angle iron and hinges for farm gates. Pretty easy DIY. This most people put it on legs. I just put it on my table. So there we go with, this is the reservoir for the rear brake. On the basis of if it's not broke, don't fix it. So it's fine, I'll leave it there. I've got a bit of tidying up to do on this and then tack this in place and then cut the arse off. Hey!